Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or meat eater, it's a good bet the healthiest and tastiest food on your table came from nature.
And now the Nature Conservancy is asking foodies in Albuquerque to nominate their favorite green restaurant for the coveted Nature's Plate Award. Jackie Hall is with the Nature Conservancy, and she's joining us this morning with more information. Hey, Jackie.
Hey, nice to be here.
Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
So tell me, what makes a restaurant green?
So the Nature Conservancy has established these green guidelines for the Nature's Plate Award. And we're looking for restaurants that, for example, serve grass-fed beef, raised without antibiotics, or serve locally or regionally produced food, or even restaurants that use tap water instead of bottled water. That's a really great green practice. It's not that we're trying to certify restaurants as green or sustainable. These are strictly guidelines for the award.
Oh, okay, well that makes sense.
Yeah.
And can you tell us kind of the whole point to this contest?
Yeah, the Nature Conservancy really wants people to start thinking about food and conservation. Where does our food come from? How does it get produced? How does it end up on our tables? So we want that conversation to start. We have a very long and rich history working with ranchers and farmers, helping them build sustainable practices that benefit their business, but as well as people and nature.
Yeah, so
and you actually
important.
I see that a lot more in New Mexico and Albuquerque. There's a lot of people doing the farm to table kind
Yeah.
of thing, and people that actually care about where their food comes from. So it's really important to see that.
You have great farmers markets down here.
Yeah, which nobody would expect. But so for those chosen restaurants, so tell us more about the award itself.
So the award winner will receive a great plaque that they can hang in the restaurant, as well as a decal that announces that they're the 2013 Nature's Plate Green Restaurant Award winner. As well, they get a lot of visibility. We're, obviously talking this up with a lot of media outlets, and we have a really great social media campaign we're working on. And hey, it's bragging rights, and you can't really beat that.
Yeah.
What about this basket? That's not going to be involved, is it?
This is my picnic
Okay.
basket. It was actually a Peterborough picnic basket that was designed by New Mexico artist Melinda Hall.
I love it. It's paper mache cow, right?
Yeah, it's a paper mache cow that ran into our dog, so the tail is a little bit off.
Oh, that's cute. And it says the grass will be milked soon enough.
Oh,
That's
thanks,
part of the
Barbara.
quote. I love that. Well, this is a national contest.
Yes.
So what other states are we up against? How
So
tough is it?
it's pretty broad. There are cities as far west as Portland participating, and as far east as Washington, D.C., and kind of everywhere in between.
In between. So it's pretty much every state in the country.
Not every state,
No? Okay.
but quite a few.
Quite a few. All right.
Cool. And the whole event is sponsored by the Nature Conservancy.
Correct.
So tell us about the work that you guys do.
Sure. The Nature Conservancy was founded over 60 years ago. We protect land and water on which all life depends. We've been operating in New Mexico for, almost 35 years. We'll celebrate our 35th anniversary next year. And since we've been working in the state, we've protected 1.5 million acres of land.
Wow.
And right now we're really focused on freshwater work, which is obviously really important to the state.
And drought. and
Yeah,
everything that's
so
happening right now.
It's a
we're
big
working
one.
on a really important water security plan for the Middle Rio Grande, which supplies about 50% of the water to the state.
Fantastic. Best of luck with that.
Thank
because
you.
We certainly could use the help.
Yes,
that's for
for sure.
sure.
Thank you.
Well, tell us how our viewers can vote for their favorite green restaurant.
Right. You can give a shout out to your favorite green restaurant by visiting nature.org/naturesplatenm as in New Mexico.
Okay.
And semifinalists will be announced on October 1st. There'll be another round of voting. And we really encourage everyone in New Mexico to get online and vote again, because I think this is a great foodie state, and I'm
Yes,
sure
it
a
is.
New Mexico restaurant will win this award.
All
got it.
right, I hope so.
You gotta bring
Best
it
of
home.
luck to us.
Yeah, absolutely,
Let's get it going.
absolutely.
And of course, we'll have all the info on our website, casa.com, if you weren't able to get that info down. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
for
you so
having
much.
us. Yeah,
Thank you.
great to be here.